How to find out composite function, and what is composite function? Here we have f of x is equal to 2x minus 1 and g of x is given x square plus 5, and for here all the x is all the real numbers, right? Then how to find out f of g of x? So to find out f of g of x, we have f, and at the place of g of x, what? X square plus 5. Okay, so this is x square plus 5, right? Now what is our function f? Function f is 2x minus 5. So at the place of x, we will substitute this value. Okay, we have 2 multiplied by x square plus 5 minus 1, right? Is equal to, multiply this. So 2x square plus 10 minus 1, right? Now equal to 2x square plus 9. So this is our f of g of x. Okay. So now your answer is this. We have to find out g of f of x. G as a function and f of x. And what is f of x? 2x minus 1. Right. Now at the place of x, we will write 2x minus 1. So let's write this 2x minus 1 whole square plus 5. How to solve this? A minus b whole square. So don't do the mistake that a square plus b square or a square minus b square. This is a square plus b square minus 2ab, right? So 2 multiplied by 2x and multiplied by 1 plus 5. We have already. Okay. Now x square, that is 4x square plus 1, and this is minus 4x. Okay, and plus 5. So what is our final answer? Our final answer is 4x square minus 4x, and 5 plus 1 is 6. So this is our final answer. Isn't it easier? Okay, now come to f square x. Right? So now we will see that f square x. F square x is f of x, right? So at the place of, we will write 2x minus 1. So here we have f of 2x minus 1, right? Now at the place of x, what we will write? 2x minus 1. So here 2 multiplied by 2x minus 1, okay, and minus 1, right? Now 2 2s are 4x, and 2 multiplied 2 minus 1. So that is minus 2 and minus 1. So what will be our final answer? 4x minus 3. Okay. So what we have seen that, now look at this question. Here we have f of x is 2x plus 3 and x square minus 1 is our g of f of x, right? So you have to find out f of g of 2. How to find out this? Let's see this. F of g of 2. So first we will find out g of 2, right? So here we have g of 2 is equal to what? X square minus 1. So we will write it 2 square minus 1. That is 4 minus 1. So this will be 3, right? Now we will place this 3 here in this function. So we will write f of 3. Okay. So this will be the answer. 2 multiplied by 3 plus 3, that is equal to 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Okay. So our f of g of 2 is equal to 9. Okay. Now it's your turn. You have to find out this and write in the comment box. If you are not able to solve, just write that solutions. So I will give you the solution. Okay. In next video, we will see that composite functions and their domain and range.